Hi.
It's pleasure having you here.
Thank you.
So-
Pleasure to be here.
What are your key takeaways from the panel right away inside?
Key takeaways. So, one of the bigger takeaways was that in terms of adoption for metaverses and immersive experiences, client experience centers is one of the prominent use case which most of the brand agree that they would want to explore or want to be on in the next 2-3 quarters. Essentially a space to spend more time with their customers. If they can unlock 10, 15, 30 more minutes with people whom they're trying to sell a little more sophisticated solutions, why not?
So how can it change? How can the Web 3.0 can impact the upcoming scenario of marketing? As far as if we talk about the right now, the internet was more about the data security and all. So how it
See, honestly, if you look at Web3, the blockchain aspect of it, it's more infrastructural right now, and it would continue to be that way because it's one of the technologies which I feel makes a lot of impact when it's executed at scale. For it to be executed at scale, when everyone is on a blockchain decentralized infrastructure, I think there are n number of solutions that makes people life better, more meaningful, and democratize access to information and currency, everything. So for that to happen, the next few years are going to be infrastructural. In terms of experience layer with 3D immersive solution metaverse, that is something I think from business and enterprise point of view, internal training and collaboration use cases and customer facing sales and marketing use cases would continue to thrive among brands and businesses. But the consumer level adoption or familiarization would come through games. Fortnite, Roblox are some of the platforms which are probably a year or two away from converting into social platforms as well, where people go for the gaming, go for the games, but stick for the social angle of it. So that's where it is headed. So that would bring the masses to 3D and having fun in immersive spaces.
So according to you, what can be the tentative timeline for the tangible outcome of Web3 in India?
I would say 5 years.
5 years.
Yes.
It invented in 2011. We have been talking about Web3, but we haven't seen any tangible outcome right now. So what were the roadblocks till now of Web3 as far as India is concerned?
So I don't think there have been a lot of roadblocks apart from the fact that, as I said, it's a technology which makes sense at scale. So for that to happen, internet took, I think, the same number of years. Everything takes its own due time, but I think it's going to come. 10 years, 15 years is a very small timeline if you look at humanity or technology becoming a part and parcel of people's life in the larger picture. So yes, I think it's 10-15 years that have gone is nothing. Probably 10 more years for it to mature, and then you'll have decentralized infrastructure for everything: identity, governance, commerce, everything.
So where do you foresee the marketing scenario as far as Web3 is concerned in next decade in India?
Marketing of Web3 or
Marketing in general concern. Like today we have data access
Yeah.
of data of customers. How would
So I think community would become a very strong aspect of brand marketing and loyalty, and community would thrive more with ownership, which NFTs offer a lot. So as NFTs, so just like 20 years ago, having an email account was a sort of a friction for people to explore everything on the web. Similarly, having a wallet is the friction that would sort of be solved in the next 3 to 4 years. Once that happens, then brands have a more clear road or a quick access to their customers with NFT-based engagement, loyalty, rewards. And I think that is the angle where marketing would have a lot of their focus going.